Have you recently turned 60 and started feeling like your body isn't quite as strong as it used to be? Maybe your grip feels a bit weaker, your legs feel stiff in the morning, or getting out of bed takes more effort than before. Here's something most people don't know. The key to halting muscle loss doesn't lie only in diet or exercise, but in what you do every single night. That's right, your bedroom could be the most powerful place for rebuilding your strength. While you're asleep, your body can either reinforce your muscles or break them down, and what you do before hitting the pillow can determine which direction it takes. So if you're serious about maintaining your independence, mobility, and overall strength as you age, stay with me. Because these simple, science-backed nighttime habits could completely change how strong and energized you feel without any gym membership required. As we age, our bodies naturally go through a process called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It begins subtly in your 30s, but around 60, the process speeds up. By the time many seniors reach 70, they've lost as much as 15% of their muscle without even realizing it. And muscles aren't just for lifting things, they help us stay balanced, reduce our risk of falls, control blood sugar levels, and even burn fat while we rest. What's shocking is that muscle breakdown doesn't just happen during the day. It can ramp up at night, especially if your body doesn't have the proper fuel or environment for recovery. The good news, this decline can be slowed and even reversed by making a few smart changes to your nightly routine. Let's begin with the most powerful nighttime strategy: proper nutrition. Contrary to popular belief, your muscles don't grow when you're lifting weights, they grow during rest and recovery, particularly at night. That's why what you eat before bed plays a vital role. Seniors should aim for 30 to 40 grams of slow-digesting protein before sleep. This type of protein releases amino acids gradually over several hours, helping to prevent your body from breaking down muscle tissue while you sleep. Excellent options include low-fat cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, or a scoop of casein protein powder. If you prefer a plant-based alternative, pea protein or a handful of steamed edamame can do the trick. Just make sure to avoid sugary or carb-heavy snacks in the evening, as they can disrupt your hormones and encourage fat storage rather than muscle repair. Want to boost results further? Stir a small scoop of collagen peptides and magnesium into warm water. It supports joint health and nighttime recovery while also calming your system for deeper sleep. And speaking of sleep, your quality of rest directly influences the health of your muscles. While you're in deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for repairing tissues and building muscle. But if your sleep is constantly disrupted by stress, pain, or those dreaded midnight trips to the bathroom, you're likely missing out on this crucial recovery phase. To improve your muscle-supporting sleep, set a consistent bedtime, ideally around 10 p.m. Make sure your room is dark. Pitch black is best for melatonin production, and keep the temperature cool. Between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Shut off all screens at least an hour before bed to avoid blue light, which interferes with your brain's ability to signal sleep. You might also consider a magnesium glycinate supplement, which calms the nervous system and can reduce nighttime muscle cramps. Want to go a step further? Try 5 minutes of gentle stretching before bed to increase blood flow and reduce stiffness, setting the stage for better rest and recovery. Here's a trick that surprises many people: doing a short, light movement routine before bed can actually trigger your body to maintain and repair muscle overnight. No, you don't need a full workout. Just 5 minutes of low-impact movement can signal to your body that your muscles are still in use and shouldn't be broken down for energy. A simple routine might include seated leg lifts, wall push-ups, standing calf raises, neck rolls, and supported forward bends. This light activity not only primes your muscles, it can ease joint tension, prevent restless legs, and prepare your body for a more restful sleep. But muscle health isn't just physical, it's also neurological. Your brain plays a huge role in how effectively your muscles function. If your brain isn't regularly sending signals to key muscles, especially the glutes, back, and core, those connections start to weaken. This can cause instability and poor balance. To maintain that brain-muscle connection, try a few mental techniques before bed. Spend 60 seconds slowly tensing and relaxing major muscle groups while lying in bed. This simple act re-engages the brain's awareness of your muscles. You can also visualize yourself moving with strength, standing tall, walking briskly, or lifting something heavy with ease. Research shows that mental rehearsal can actually improve physical performance over time. And remember, alcohol and sedatives can block REM sleep, which is a crucial phase for neuromuscular repair, so keep them to a minimum. Let's talk dinner strategy. What you eat between 6 and 8 p.m. sets the stage for how your body heals overnight. A balanced evening meal should include lean protein about 25 to 30 grams, healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, magnesium-rich greens such as kale or spinach, and a small portion of complex carbs like lentils or quinoa. Avoid common mistakes like skipping dinner, which leads to muscle breakdown, overeating refined carbs, or relying on high-sodium microwave meals. Here's a great dinner idea for seniors: grilled salmon with a side of quinoa, sautéed spinach, a drizzle of olive oil, and a small bowl of Greek yogurt. It's anti-inflammatory, packed with protein, and perfect for your overnight recovery window. To supercharge your nighttime muscle maintenance, a few targeted supplements can make a world of difference. Not all supplements are necessary, but certain ones can support deep recovery and muscle growth. Consider magnesium glycinate for better sleep and cramp prevention. Vitamin D3 with K to helps your muscles function properly and improves calcium absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil reduce inflammation and enhance the muscle-building process. A 30-gram scoop of casein protein taken about an hour before bed is an excellent slow-release fuel. Adding collagen peptides with a bit of vitamin C for joint health, and consider zinc and vitamin B6 to support hormones related to strength and recovery. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplements. Let's not forget where you sleep. Your mattress and pillow setup can directly affect muscle support and joint alignment. Ideally, choose a medium-firm mattress that supports spinal alignment. If you sleep on your back, place a pillow under your knees. Side sleepers should place a pillow between their legs to relieve hip pressure. Avoid sleeping on your stomach, as it twists your neck and spine. An orthopedic pillow can relieve neck tension and promote more restorative sleep. Seniors who deal with swelling or circulation issues might benefit from wearing gentle compression socks to bed. They support muscle recovery and reduce nighttime leg discomfort. Finally, the habits you build in the morning help lock in the gains from the night before. When you wake up, drink a full glass of water right away. Your muscles are dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Spend 5 minutes doing gentle mobility work like arm circles, hip openers, or ankle rotations to get your blood flowing and joints lubricated. And don't skip breakfast. Your muscles need protein to continue repairing. Aim for a high-protein meal within an hour of waking. A great example: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, plus a small bowl of berries. That combo fuels your day and continues the repair work you started while you slept. So if you're over 60, muscle loss doesn't have to be your reality. With just a few intentional habits like adding a pre-bed protein snack, stretching gently, adjusting your sleep environment, and eating the right foods at dinner, you can strengthen your body, sleep better, and even feel younger. These changes are simple, but their impact is massive. What will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with a loved one, because stronger seniors are healthier, happier, and more independent. And remember, real strength is rebuilt while you rest.